So for the next step, what we want to do is make our bearing look a little more realistic. This red piece here inside of a bearing is typically sort of recessed, and these kind of chrome looking pieces are usually sticking out a little bit more. And you can see that obviously they are different colors. And right now our bearing does not look that way. So what we're going to do is we're going to create this ring right here and this ring right here on our bearing, and then recess the piece there in the middle. So I'm going to do step 11 by itself and then step 12 by itself. I've had some difficulty with this time. And so if you're having difficulty, don't get frustrated. I've had a hard time with it as well. So what we're going to need to do is make a new sketch and select the bearing face. Then we're going to make two center point circles. One that is just a little bit bigger than the inside circle, and one that is just a little bit smaller than the outside circle. And we need to set the distance from this line to this line to be 1 millimeter, and the distance from this line to this line to be 1 millimeter. So we'll go to our tool, our measuring tool, and we set that to be 1 millimeter. And we're going to have to, I'm going to undo that actually. It's interesting that it does that. So I think it's because they're conjoined. So I'm going to do the inside circle first. And so you can see it kind of pulled the outside circle in a little bit. We'll just set that distance now. So it might be helpful for you if you do the inside circle first. I'm not sure, but it was for me. So now I've got this little lip here and this little lip here. Notice that I've got this green ring here and this green ring here. Eventually I'm going to try to turn those silver, but we'll see how it goes.